I got this battery light on. Looks like my auxiliary battery is bad, and I checked for a replacement, and dealer's replacement is about 150 to 180 just for the battery. And I found a different company. They sell batteries for $40, brand new with warranty. It's the same style battery, so I'll be installing it and I'll show you that it will fix the problem. So I'll be removing the battery right now, and this is a CLS55. So W211 and W219 is pretty much identical. Your auxiliary battery is going to be on this side. There's usually like a cover, plastic shield, rubber, something like that. So that comes off, and then you're going to expose a 10mm bolt. So you're going to take that off. So this is your cabin air filter. So there's your auxiliary battery. So now I'm going to remove the battery bracket. It's on a 10mm screw. Then you have the positive and negative. Just move the cables to the side. The bolts stay in there, so you don't have to take them off. That's the positive. Now you lift up the bracket, and the battery comes out. Alright, so this is my old battery. It is a, what is it? I think it was an AGM, yes, AGM battery, sealed. So same thing with the replacement, it is a AGM sealed battery. And this is aftermarket one. Usually your car would have a factory Mercedes one, so they would recommend you replace the Mercedes one. The battery runs about 150 and up. This replacement is 40 bucks. It comes with warranty, so why not? And I'll give it a try right now, so we'll see if it's going to turn off the dash light. Now we're going to be installing this battery. Just make sure those nuts, or whatever you want to call them, they're on the upper position, because they were on the side position. So I replaced them, and just don't tilt it, they're going to fall out, so just kind of hold it up. Put it back in here. Same size, so it fits perfect. I guess one fell out, so now I got to take it all out. Alright, so now it's in place. We'll be putting the negative back in, or I'll start off with the positive. So now we're putting this one in. Okay, sitting good. Alright, so I replaced the battery, and that's it. The light is off. So, battery works.